welcome to my garden. Briley and I are going on our long walk, and we just discovered the tree service got all the way up in here, dropped me a pretty good pile of wood chips. And if you can see the steam coming off of that already, that's already breaking down nicely. It's pretty close to the new garden. I won't have to haul it very far. It got kind of busy yesterday, so I wasn't able to make an episode. I was helping them move the fence so they could get down in here. I didn't know they were going to come in here and trim some of this stuff up. Come on, let's take a look. You know, I was going to leave this open so I could get down to the shed. Good thing I did. I didn't know I had to have an easement for the power company to get down here and look at the neighbor's trees. We took this old broken down fence down, and from right here where we got the wire, we're going to extend that right about to the compost pile. We'll have that electric fence running right here, and then this will be a nice little alleyway we can mow. But when the leaves start coming down, they really start coming down. The leaves are coming down. So we're going to be able to mix the leaves, the hay, and the wood chips all together. Now they do kind of go in layers because that's the way you dump them. So we're just dumping it straight out onto the ground. As an example, after these have been laying all winter and you go to plant, all you're going to do is just kind of pull them back down the soil, and then you'll plant in there, whether it's your starts or your seeds, just like normal. The other way you can do it, you just pull them out of the way, just kind of toss it off to the side, and that helps mix that together. That's how we're going to use the mulch in the new garden. And this hasn't been down very long. These chips have only been down for a week or so with this hay in here, and it's already got bare soil. Then we just plant in there like normal. Once the plants get a little size to them, you backfill in around them. And that's what it'll look like right there. Well, look at that. The garlic's coming up already. Just need to do a quick check. Make sure the new basil's got plenty of water. And make sure you got your seedlings good and watered, especially in a raised bed or containers. They want to dry out very quickly. And if you got any winter lettuce coming up, it's always good to give them a little drink. And that's sort of a quick tour of what we've been doing lately. Now you can do this too. And remember, until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Good boy. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.